Today we're bringing you two iconic Kerala favorites, Dum Parotta and Puttu Kadala. Let's start preparing the Dum Parotta. First we begin with the Varathoracha chicken curry, which will be one of the layers in our Dum Parotta. Start by preparing the coconut masala. Dry roast grated coconut in a pan until it turns golden brown. Now add the remaining spices and roast them until the raw aroma disappears. Once done, blend everything into a smooth paste. Now heat some oil in a pan, add garlic, ginger, onions, tomatoes, chicken, curry leaves and green chilies one after another and mix well. Now add the prepared coconut paste along with some lukewarm water and cook the chicken for about 20 minutes until tender. Finish the curry with a fragrant tadka of dry red chilies, curry leaves and sliced onions. Next, we prepare murg lazeez. In a bowl, add chicken along with ginger garlic paste, oil, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, lemon juice and black pepper. Mix well and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Now heat oil and ghee in a pan, add whole garam masalas followed by sauteed onions and ginger garlic paste and cook for about 10 minutes. Now add turmeric powder and cook until the raw smell goes away. Then add a yogurt mixture blended with coriander, mint and green chilies. Add the remaining masala powders and some water and let the chicken cook for about 25 minutes. For the third preparation, we make chicken leg fry. In a bowl, combine chicken legs with coriander powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala, pepper powder, salt, ginger paste, lemon juice and oil. Mix everything well and marinate for about 30 minutes. Fry the marinated chicken legs in hot oil until golden and cooked through, then set them aside. Now comes the final part, assembling the Dum Parotta. Take a deep bottom vessel and line it with banana leaves. Add a layer of the chicken gravies followed by cooked Kerala parotta. Now add gravy, then place the fried chicken legs on top. Garnish with coriander, mint and boiled eggs. Now seal the vessel with banana leaves and place it on a tawa for slow cooking. Let it cook on dum for about 30 minutes so all the flavors come together. Your Dum Parotta is ready to serve. Now let's move on to the classic breakfast combo, Puttu and Kadala Curry. Start with the Kadala masala. Roast coconut, peppercorns, onions and curry leaves until the coconut turns brown. Now add chili powder and coriander powder and roast for about a minute. Switch off the flame, let it cool and grind it into a fine paste, adding a little water if required. Meanwhile, pressure cook the soaked black chana with onions and salt until soft. Now heat coconut oil in a pan, add hing, mustard seeds, curry leaves and dry red chilies. Once they splutter, add the cooked chana along with its cooking water. Stir in the ground masala, grind a small portion of the boiled chana into a paste and add it back to the curry for thickness. Now adjust seasoning, add about a cup of water, let it boil for 5 minutes. Finally, pour in coconut milk and add a little water if needed to balance the spice. Now let's prepare the puttu. Take puttu flour in a bowl, add salt and mix well. Sprinkle water little by little while crumbling the flour until it becomes moist and evenly hydrated. In a puttu maker, start by adding a layer of grated coconut, then add 2 to 4 spoons of the puttu flour. Continue layering coconut and flour alternatively until the cylinder is full, finishing with coconut on top. Steam this for about 15 minutes. Once done, gently push the steamed puttu onto a plate. Serve the hot fluffy puttu with the rich and flavorful Kadala curry for the perfect Kerala meal. And there you have it, two delicious Kerala specials that bring together bold spices, coconut goodness and traditional cooking techniques. Try this at home and let us know in the comments how it turned out. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.